Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How to Fi. In this video, let me show you a step-by-step tutorial through the process of setting up automatic replies for SMS and phone calls on your Android device using the Auto Message app. Let's open the phone icon or the call icon first. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen while we are in a phone app. Click Call Settings after that. We are on call settings as you can see. Additionally, select Reject incoming calls with an SMS message to configure the auto reply for text messages. These are all my automated responses when they call. As you can see, let's call settings once more now. Click Auto Answer to have your phone answer automatically. My auto answer is disabled. As you can see, simply turn it on. You can choose the number of seconds you wish to delay the auto answer by clicking the auto answer delay button that is displayed. Next, to have an auto reply on your SMS, we have to download a third-party app, which is Auto Message. Simply go to your Google Play Store, search for an auto message, and click this one. Click Install on this one. Once done installing, click Open over here. On the prompts, just allow permissions. Once you are in the interface, click the plus sign button below. On the options, click Reply SMS Phone Call. You can name a title over here and your response. You can input whatever you like right here. Once satisfied, click on the received SMS and set a schedule. In our case, I'll schedule it every day. Then set the reply to everybody. Once done, click the Save button on the top, and as you can see, it is now running and ready to use. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.